Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a simple yet powerful feature in Windows 11 called Task View. Task View allows you to manage multiple desktops and easily switch between open apps. First, begin by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, select Personalization. Then, within the Personalization menu, locate and select Taskbar from the list on the left side. Once inside the taskbar settings, you will see the option labeled Task View. To enable it, simply toggle the switch to the On position. This will instantly add the Task View button to your taskbar, making it easy to access multiple desktops and open applications. Finally, after enabling Task View, you can click on its icon on the taskbar to see all your open windows at a glance. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows tips.